Troy McDonald with Illustrated Properties here today. Back here this month again with an update on the single family market in Martin and St. Lucie County. We've had some interesting turn of events as far as pricing, and I think you'll find these numbers pretty fascinating. One of the things is I want to disclose before we get started, I've changed my source of where I'm getting my numbers. I was getting my numbers to a company that was aggregating the numbers using the MLS data from Martin County, and now I'm getting my numbers directly from the Florida Association of Realtors. So hopefully maybe it's a little better quality number, maybe not. But what I wanted to do is just tell you where I was getting my numbers so that the listener will know. So let's get right into it and start with Martin County. So Martin County saw the average sales and the median price sales increased this month. The average price went up to $962,000, and the median price went up to $650,000. That was a 5.9 and a 20% increase, respectively. So 5.9% increase on the average sales price, 20% increase on the median price. The median price percentage of list to sale price is holding at 95.2%. That is about not quite a 2% increase from last month. And the median time to contract is 40 days, which is slightly faster, but pretty much steady. Inventory is at 4.1 months, and there's 277 new listings in February. So let's head on into Stuart. Stuart, the county seat for Martin County. Lovely town. In fact, just had an announcement that Stuart's getting a Brightline station, so very excited about that. Stuart has experienced a notable increase in the average sales price by 42%. That was up to $668,000, though the median price decreased by 9.7%. So that tells me there was a couple expensive properties that sold, but overall, the vast majority of the properties are probably even holding steady or down a little bit. The sellers are receiving 95.5% of their asking price, which is good. That means everybody's falling into a really good pricing structure from what I can tell. There is, let's see, what do we have here? We got 33 days to contract, which is up slightly, 3.5 months worth of inventory, which is actually down a little bit. And there's 12 new listings, which is down. So that's in the city of Stuart. So let's move on to Hobe Sound. Hobe Sound had a average sales price fell 14% to $819,000, but the median price was up 17% to $589,000. Again, this is showing that the vast majority of the homes are actually selling for more. Hobe Sound in particular can get some big swings because Hobe Sound includes Jupiter Island and Loblolly, the Meadows. A couple of these Medalist, I should say, a couple of these very expensive communities, which can drive up the average sales price with just one sale. 95.8% of list price is what they're selling for, which is holding pretty consistent with Martin County overall. 71 days to contract is the median time to contract. So it is taking a little bit longer to sell your house in Hobe Sound. There's 3.9 months of inventory, which is up slightly, and new listings are up 24% to 21 new listings in Hobe Sound. Now let's move on to Palm City. Palm City has seen a robust growth with 29% increase in average sales price and a 32% increase in the median sales price. Palm City home sales from a dollar value are very strong. The average sales price was $802,000 and the median price was $715,000. Again, holding steady in that 95% range from sales price, percent of sales price to list price. Median time to contract, 39 days, which is about 5 days faster than it was the previous month. So a little bit faster. 4.1 months of inventory, which is up from 2.9, but I think that's showing that there's a robust market and sellers are willing to put their homes on the market. And then there was new listings are up 62%. So I think that goes hand in hand with the inventory. So let's move on. Our next area is Jensen Beach. Jensen Beach had actually a very good month. Jensen Beach's average sale price was up 31% to $561,000. The median sales price was up 21% to $459,000. 97% of sale price towards list price. So I think that's actually showing a very strong number. It shows the demand for the houses in Jensen Beach. 28 days to contract, which is actually up from 19. So the listings in Jensen Beach are selling very quickly. There's 3.3 months of supply, which is up from 2.4 months, and there's a 42% increase in inventory, which is 27 new listings. So I think what we can take away from this is that in Jensen Beach is that with these strong sales prices, people are saying, hey, you know what, I'm going to go ahead and list my house for sale. For sellers, it's generally a good time, especially in areas like Palm City and Jensen Beach. Buyers, with the increased inventory levels, there's more options. So we are seeing some the dynamics adjusting slightly, but and in some places they're actually moving in favor of the sellers. Some places are moving more into in favor, a little bit slightly favor of the buyers, but overall it's still a pretty strong market, and sellers are in a good position in Martin County. So let's move on to St. Lucie County. So St. Lucie County, the average sales price of a home in St. Lucie County was $449,000. That is a 11% increase. The median price is up 5.4% to $390,000, and the median percent of original list price to sale price is 96.8%. So all in all, pretty strong in St. Lucie County. 35 days to contract, which is a reduction from 43. There is 4.2 months of inventory, which is up from 3 months, and a 19% increase in new listings with 698 new listings. So now let's move on to the county. Let's see, actually, no, Port St. Lucie is not the county seat, but Port St. Lucie is the largest city in St. Lucie County. And Port St. Lucie, again, another place having another strong month. Average sales price is up 9.8% to $444,000, and the median sales price is up 8.4% to $412,000. Median percent of original list price received is 97%, stronger than Martin County, so pretty strong there. Median days to contract, 36, as opposed to 46 the previous month. So that's down. Month supply of inventory is up from 2.8 months to 3.8 months, and new listings are up 28% to 551 new listings. Again, I think that kind of goes back to the strong market, and the strong prices are getting more people to list their homes for sale. And then finally, we are going to go to the county seat for St. Lucie County, which is Fort Pierce. And Fort Pierce has been all over the place with some very high numbers and then very low numbers. But I think right now we're still going to see some strong numbers coming in. The average sales price in Fort Pierce was $505,000, up 50%. And the median sales price was up 27% to $346,000. 95.8% of was the median percentage of original list price versus received. So sellers are getting over 95% of their list price. Median time to contract, only 20 days, down from 53. The Fort Pierce market is becoming pretty desirable based on that. All the numbers are coming up, and people are really looking at Fort Pierce right now. Inventory went up to 4.7 months from 2.7, and there was a 44% increase in listings, which was 36 new listings. So going back to the takeaways for St. Lucie County, overall, the St. Lucie County market through all different locations, the countywide, City of Port St. Lucie, City of Fort Pierce, all very strong. We're seeing a lot of desire for St. Lucie County. A lot of folks are moving here from other places up north in the Northeast in particular, and also coming up to St. Lucie County from Miami and Broward and so forth. So if if you have any questions about any of these numbers, please feel free to reach out to me. I also post these reports on LinkedIn and Facebook. So check out my Facebook pages, my LinkedIn pages. I'll be happy to take any phone calls you have. If you're looking to buy or sell, please give me a call. I'll be happy to help you out. Even if you just want a free evaluation of the value of your home, call me and we'll get that taken care of for you. Troy McDonald, Illustrated Properties, 772-260-9458.